Silicon to sunshine conversion complete. Powering a renewable future. The sustainable...
We install these bypass diodes for shading protection, preventing hot spots, and enhancing overall reliability.
Thin film solar represents a key alternative, utilizing cadmium telluride or CIGS technology on film.
The transition to clean energy is vital. By replacing coal with sources like wind and solar,
This sealant application ensures a strong structural adhesion. The silicone adhesive bonds the frame directly to
The versatility of this technology provides the space station with critical power, representing a new era.
The efficiency is unprecedented. We've broken the record.
And the tandem structure is stable. This changes everything.
Cost parity achievement. Solar cheaper than fossil fuels. Economic tipping point. Market transformation. Energy revolution.
This multi-crystal casting method represents a significant leap in polycrystalline silicon production, offering
Firing furnace, high temperature sintering at 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, 800 degrees Celsius. Metal contacts bonding to silicon, electrical connection formation, contact quality.
Cooling phase, temperature reduction, dimensional stability, stress relief, handling preparation, module solidification.
insurance. Achieving energy independence means reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. This provides national security.
The renewable revolution is upon us. Global adoption of solar power is driving energy democratization. Lamination machine, vacuum and heat press, layer bonding, air removal, encapsulant melting, module integration.
These modules are holding up well under the high voltage.
Long-term reliability looks assured, and the data confirms our quality prediction.
From manual labor to advanced robotics, we've seen remarkable technological advancement, unlocking immense future potential.
"25-year warranty, long-term reliability, performance guarantee, investment security, quality commitment, consumer confidence."
Precise placement ensures the optimal angle for maximum sun exposure, maximizing your energy optimization through superior system design.
maximum load achieved. The deflection is within acceptable limits.
Noted. Structural integrity confirmed.
Check the alignment on this one.
Looks good. Secure the clamps.
All right, torquing it now.
Okay, easy now. Set it down right there. Looking good, boss. Fantastic work, guys.
Initiating high voltage test. Ramping up now.
Levels stable at 10 kV.
Verified. Insulation certified. Okay, team. This shipment is priority global. Let's get it loaded carefully and double-check the manifest.
Look at how stable the energy flow is, even with the cloud cover.
It really highlights the efficiency gains from the new panel design.
Half-cut cell technology, reducing resistive losses and improving shading tolerance. Modern innovation for efficiency enhancement and reliability.
Utilizing advanced P-arc technology, these passivated emitter rear contact cells optimize performance for maximum efficiency.
By connecting the cells in series, positive to negative, we multiply the voltage.